Hi, welcome to my channel. The today topic on page SEO. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to rank your YouTube video in top 5 position live with the multi keywords just in a 5 minutes. Oh, great. After finishing this tutorial, you will be able to rank your each YouTube video on each page just in 5 minutes with a lot of keywords. In previous lecture, I show you the YouTube off-page SEO, how to do the YouTube video off-page SEO. If you did not watch the off-page SEO tutorial, so I provided the tutorial link in description. Please must watch. The SEO is totally depend on this topic, off-page SEO and on-page SEO. On-page SEO is totally depend on these steps. You need to title, description, text, and vidIQ crack version. If you don't know how to crack the vidIQ extension, so I provided the tutorial link in description. So let's start. Step number 1. Before you need the title, description, text, and vidIQ extension. The vidIQ extension, the crack version already have installed, and the title, description, and text I already have. This is the video for the on-page SEO, and this is a notepad. I have title, description. This is a title. This is a description, and this is a meta text, a keywords. Today these keywords I will show you how to rank the video with these keywords. So step 1, go to the YouTube studio, copy the title, go to the YouTube studio and paste the title here. Then again go to the notepad, copy the description, copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V here. It will take several seconds to paste here. Okay, now scroll down. Check that the SEO score is totally 00 out of 100. So I have the crack version. This is a vidIQ extension tools. Check that everything is 00 out of 100 out of 50. So this is the tag area. Go to the notepad. This is the first keyword I'm gonna to copy. I copy these keywords. Then paste here. And check that with the hash to mean these keywords, with these keywords my video on second position. So open the next tab, open the YouTube on next tab, paste the title here and then click search. So like just see with these keywords my video is showing in second position of the YouTube search engine. So now again go to the notepad, copy the second keywords and then paste here. With this keyword my video is showing on 29 number. So go to again to the notepad, copy these keywords, copy, Ctrl V, paste here. Check that with this keyword my video in second position. So let's check with this keyword. Remove this previous keyword. I save the video and then again look at it. I paste the new keyword here and see with this keyword my video in second position. So now again go to the notepad, copy the third keyword and paste here. Look at it with these keywords. So just check that, save the video and go to the again to the YouTube video search engine and paste the keyword here. Check that with this keyword again my video in second position. It's a live tutorial. I'm going to show you how to rank the video in top 5 position. Now copy the third keyword, fourth keyword and paste here. Okay, with this keyword my video on first position. So let's check. Copy this keyword, save here, remove the previous one and paste new one. Check that my video in S position with this keyword. So again go to the notepad, copy the next keyword and paste here. Check that with this keyword my video is in second position. So copy this, save the video, go here, remove this one and paste here and then search. Check that with this keyword my video in second position. Again go to the notepad and also check the SEO score has been increased. First was 00, now on 66 out of 100 and 28 out of 50. So check that the performance of my video. This is a SEO score, all-time SEO score, very fantastic. Copy the next keyword and paste here. With this keyword my video is on fourth position. So save the video, go to the YouTube and check. Scroll down and check is the video on third position. Look at that, the video is showing on third position. Now again go to the notepad. Check that the hash mean is showing the position of your search engine with the keywords. I use the vidIQ extension and the vidIQ extension is showing me, and just check out the SEO score is increasing. The SEO score is increasing. So here is also some keywords. I'm going to add some keywords. I added the SEO score is showing, so I'm going to add this one keywords. Click on this one. So look at that with this position, check it my video position number. So copy this keyword and I copy this keyword and now copy, Control C, go here, remove previous one and paste this new keywords and paste here. Check it that with this keywords my video also is in the second position. Now choosing the next highest keyword, highest ranking SEO keywords. So let me choose. I choose this one, click it and look at that. So with this keywords I am also on top. So this is a tutorial, on-page tutorial, how to do the on-page SEO. If you like my video, subscribe. So my next video on a vidIQ extension plan, how to buy a recommended plan, boost plan in a free. The monthly is a 39 fee and you can promote up to the 5 channel.